a little bit of a lull in here midday, but basically a nice recovery, even though it was only 50 cents. We'll still give it to you. We ended the day green, up around 15 cents from the previous day's trading session, ending at 54.86. That is going to be delta. That is what we're looking at here on the weekly chart. Now, we did get that nice recovery, like we just mentioned, but when the stock went up, the bearish net flow overall came up with it. So we got to kind of have to keep that in mind that most of the premiums were for the puts in here on the put side. Especially towards the end of the day rather than the call. So kind of keep that in the back of your head as you're looking at this. What does that mean? Are we kind of reverting back to mean? Are we hedging? Are people anticipating pulling back here to these 53.64s, which is going to be our 38.2 fib level? What is going on here, right? So if we do end up pulling back to that 53.64, which is going to be your 38.2 fib level, anything below that, you're looking at this 9-day EMA here, and then below that, you're looking at the 48.59s. Now, if we do get a bounce off of here, your first resistance is going to be up here at this 59.88, and then anything above that, you're going to be looking at this $69 level in here. And you can see that this 53.64 level, it means a lot to us here on this weekly chart because that was our major resistance in here when we had that nice recovery from April to May this year. And if you go back to May last year, that was a harsh point for us that we just rejected very strongly. So getting above that 3 weeks ago, it was really just something else. That is what we needed. But again, now it looks like we're trying to give up some of those gains, kind of revert back to the mean, reset our technicals here just a little bit, and then perhaps bounce off of that 53s. But overall, with stock recovered, ended green, which is good, but bearish net flow overall came with it. Now, IV rank in here is relatively low compared to itself. It's only sitting at a 7, right around a $2 expected move by this Friday. If you go all the way out to next Friday, right around a $2.30 expected move is what everybody's pricing in. So not a whole lot of movement in here, but still we're ending green. That is good, but we might have to kind of go down and touch these 53.64s just one more time before we start working our way higher. But we'll see what the stock or what the chart dictates to us, and we will play that accordingly. But again, $2 expected move by this Friday. $55 level is going to be key for us in here, along with the 59s and that 53.64. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.